Abarimó pronouns. Ngisã ripai singular subject. Me, I, mo, you, that is singular you. Ri, she, ko, he, u. It for living thing. She or ti, they mean the same thing. It means it for non-living thing. So in Pazande, there is a distinction between it for living thing and it for non-living thing. Dungu ripai plural subject. Ani, we, Óni You, yo, or e, they mean they for people. Gaami means also they, but for living things. Gaabarimó possessive pronouns. Ngisã ripai singular subject. Me, gi, gimi. I, my, mine. Mo, ro. They mean the same, but when you use mo, it is at the beginning of the sentence. But ro is when you is in the middle of the sentence. Gamò, your, yours. Ri, garî. She, her or hers. Ko, gakô. He, his. U, gamò. It or its for living thing. She or ti, gaha. It, its for non-living thing. Dungu ripai plural subject. Ani, gaani. We, our or ours. Óni, gaóni. You, your or yours. Yo, gayó. They, their or theirs. Gaami, gaami. They, their or theirs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.